Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a treat for all the home decor enthusiasts out there. We're about to dive into a world of creativity and style with some amazing home decoration items that will transform your living space. So, let's get started. Our first stop on this decor journey is the art of wall decor. Walls are like blank canvases waiting to be adorned with creativity. Picture this, a stunning gallery wall featuring unique frames, mirrors, and wall hangings. It's not just decoration, it's a reflection of your personality. Now, let's talk about lighting. It's not just about banishing the darkness, it's about creating a mood. We've got some fantastic lighting fixtures that are not only functional, but also double up as statement pieces. From elegant pendant lights to quirky floor lamps, there's something for every taste. The next element we're exploring is all about textures and textiles. Imagine sinking into a plush chair with a cozy throw draped over it. We've curated a collection of soft cushions, luxurious rugs, and velvety throws that will add warmth and comfort to your space. No home is complete without a touch of nature. Our Greenery Galore segment is dedicated to bringing the outdoors in. Whether it's succulents, potted plants, or elegant vases with faux flowers, these additions not only breathe life into your space, but also bring a sense of tranquility. For all the creative souls watching, we've got something special. DIY Decor Delights. Unleash your artistic side with easy and affordable projects, from personalized wall art to upcycled furniture. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the world of creative home decoration items. These pieces are more than just objects. They're a way to express your style and make your space uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep decorating and making your space truly extraordinary. Bye for now.